So I joined the Minding Manners program, the finishing touch, because I was looking to make sure that every environment I go into, I am confident, well prepared, and knowledgeable. And I was so excited on the first day that I joined just to see how much knowledge I would gain. I looked at the curriculum online and I said, this is the perfect course for me, because over the course of the year, I've gone through a lot of personal development and just enhancing my skills in different areas. But I wanted to make sure that I would be comfortable in every single environment, so business-wise, but also socially, because I just graduated from university and I didn't have any network that I could just walk into. And so I wanted to be prepared for all social environments, and that's why the finishing touch was the perfect thing for me. So when I came, I was so excited to just be a part of this amazing community. We have such a wonderful group that I've been working alongside, learning alongside, and Tomiko and Christine have just been the most amazing instructors. They have made us feel so at ease. They have made me feel comfortable in this environment to know that I am learning, I'm not being judged, I'm being presented with information that is so powerful to take me in the direction of the life that I want to have for myself. And I was so inspired by looking at the different etiquette rules for America, for France, for the UK, because I have to think about my life beyond where I am right now. Right now I live in England. I have no idea where my business will take me. I have no idea who I will meet, where they will come from, different cultures, speaking different languages, having different social norms. And I just think it's so amazing to choose an international etiquette course where you'll be able to apply your knowledge to different cultures. And they've just opened a whole new world to me. And I'm so excited to use these skills in the real world and to push myself into the world that I want for myself.